ho, ho, ho.
Time for parties and celebrations. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs.
Hey, I'm Jim Media Ward and welcome to a quick little video. I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to every one of my subscribers. Everyone watches my videos, likes, comments. You know, helps me. Makes these videos a lot more worthwhile and just having fun, talking to the community. There's been so many great people I've interacted with this year, doing trades, and conversations on Facebook, just little things here and there. It's just really awesome, and I've really enjoyed, doing these videos this year. And it's gone from, using my camera on my phone, which I got right here, to using the proper full-on HD camera right here now. Absolutely fantastic, and I hope 2014 I can continue doing a lot more videos still, giving you my opinions on certain films, big films coming out next year. And I just want to really show my appreciation. I've managed to reach 500 subscribers within this year, which I'm extremely happy about. There is a competition coming soon, guys. I'm going to do it, I think, after Christmas now. I'm going to pair the questions, and we'll definitely do that, and I'm going to give away a prize, well, maybe 2 prizes away for certain people. Awesome stuff, eh? I just want to say a couple of shout outs to certain people. I'm not going to mention everybody because it will just take forever and I don't want to really get into that. I want to mention Auton Productions, really nice guy, go and check him out. He's a really nice YouTuber. I really enjoy watching your videos, mate, over the past year or so. I really like his topic videos, his Blu-ray collection updates, and his opinions. He's a really nice guy, and if it wasn't for him I wouldn't have got Netflix. Just a really genuine, nice guy. Go and subscribe to him, go and like him on Facebook if you're friends with him. Really nice guy, Auton Productions. Manchester Tui also, he recently gave me a shout out in his video, so it makes sense to do the same to him. And generally he's a nice guy also. I really enjoy watching his Blu-ray collections, updates, seeing what films he gets. He's a fan of foreign movies, which is something I'm a huge fan of as well. He gets titles which I've never even heard of, so that's just awesome. So usually if I want to watch a foreign movie I haven't heard of, I look at his titles and just see what he can, what he's watched and what he's recommended. You haven't finished your kind of, a Blu-ray collection yet. I think you stopped on like part 5 or something. I don't remember you finishing it, I'm quite sure. But yeah, really nice guy also. Someone that really enjoys doing the videos, being part of the YouTube community, family guy. I really like people like that where you can, communicate and listen to. And of course he mentioned in his video that we're collaborating on a project that he's working on, so I'm going to help him with that, definitely. When you want to do that, mate, comment down below, send me a message. We'll definitely work on that next year for sure. Awesome stuff. Justin watches movies. Another great guy. I've done some cool trades with you. I've done a couple of conversations, done a couple of crossover videos here and there. Really nice guy also. He's done really well for himself. He's got over himself 1,000 subscribers. That's absolutely fantastic. I remember the first time he sent me a message, mate. And it's just sparked from there. Our friendship did. And of course his appearance has always gone from like super beard, like long hair, to like no hair at all whatsoever. It's just very strange how he changed his style over the past couple of months. It's quite funny, but really nice guy also, and I really like his collection updates and his movie reviews and all that type of stuff. Of course, House of Karloff also, I want to say a big shout out to you, guy. You've been a fan of my channel since the very beginning. I think practically your channel has really grown. It's really boomed over the past year or so. Thanks for sticking with me and commenting on my channel, my videos, liking, I like your little like Spurgogo kind of thing, little references. I really like that. Really nice guy also. Really love your videos. Of course, she's got a DVD collector. She's a really nice person also. She does really cool updates. She hasn't done many videos recently this year. I think she's generally been busy with, college work, if that's correct. But I really enjoy watching her video updates. She's a really nice girl. Really like her opinions on horror movies as well. She's awesome. So, big shout out to you, and good luck to you in the future. Hip Hop and Rap 71. Another recent YouTuber that's liked my channel and really commented on my videos. I've recently watched your videos past couple of months as well. He has really good content also with his Blu-ray collections and his DVDs, and he's done a couple of competitions here and there. Really nice guy also, really supported my channel, and I really appreciate that. Short Tooth, channel. Again, a really nice guy, you know, from London, working at the BBC. I really like him. I'm glad he's come back to YouTube, doing some good quality videos. You know, I love seeing your channel, mate. You know, also, and just Trey Passer. Again, there's just so many to mention, so little time to talk about, but to everyone, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for giving me nearly 510 now subscribers, which is absolutely fantastic. Let's see next year if I can get that 1,000 subscribers. I will happily end the year on that. That'll be fantastic. But to everyone, you know, have a great Christmas, have a happy New Year. And one thing I want to say is I'll be doing a video tomorrow, Time with the Doctor. Please check out that video because I'm going to be fucking happy. The fanboy inside of me is going to be out on the screen, so yeah. So, Andrew from Graham TV, signing out. And have a happy New Year and a great Christmas.